Hey guys, this is Vishwajit and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Visual Studio Code on your system. So it's like pretty simple. Just open Google Chrome, just type Visual Studio Code, okay, and just press enter. Come to Visual Studio Code, okay, this website, and download for Windows, download for Windows, stable build. Yeah, it downloaded. And if I open it from here, I accept the agreement, go to next, next. And here you can select these two boxes, add. I generally do it. So if you want, you can do it. So I'll enable them, check those boxes, and next, install. And it is installing Visual Studio Code on our system. And you can launch, but I just wanted to show you how you can install. Now here you can do some stuff, like you can set your themes like how you want it, but I generally have my own set of themes. I generally have my own preferences, so generally I will mark these sections as done and I won't do anything. So our Visual Studio Code is set up. Now regarding extensions and all, I'll make a dedicated video on how, like, what are the extensions that I use and I recommend you to use. So in that video, I'll show you how to work around with Visual Studio Code. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, you can press that like button. And as always, thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in an awesome upcoming video.